Now at 11, a massive cyber attack that could affect hospital patients across the country.
Hospitals and clinics paralyzed by hackers tonight. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ashley Glass in for Jameson.
And I'm Wendy Ryan. Thanks for joining us. Tonight, a patient sharing these photos from MedStar Hospital in Washington, D.C. As you can see, computer screens dark. Hackers locking doctors and nurses out of hundreds of thousands of patient records.
ABC Action News reporter Michael Paluska taking action for you tonight, talking to a security expert who says really we're all at risk, Michael.
Ashley, Wendy, you know, everyone is at risk because all of us have email addresses, and this is the way these ransomware hackers want to target your information. The cyber expert we talked to tonight says there's an easy way that we don't have to pay to get our information back. We can all get an external hard drive, back this up weekly, then remove this, put it somewhere safe that's not connected to the internet.
Ransomware infects one machine and then encrypts all the files that it can find.
Stu Sjouwerman is the founder and CEO of Know Before. He trains companies ahead of time to stop cyber attacks in their tracks. His motto,
think before you click.
But it's not always that easy. Sjouwerman says he sent simulated attack emails to every employee for one of his clients. What percentage did you see clicked?
50%. Half of them.
Sjouwerman says hackers target hospitals because they make easy targets and they can make cold, hard cash. The FBI is investigating whether this hack on MedStar Health, Inc. came with demands for a ransom to restore their system.
They hack in your network, they own your network, they delete your backups, and then they infect your files.
Sjouwerman says all employees need to be smarter because these types of attacks are getting worse and worse, and once you click, it's game over unless you pay or have good backups in place.
One employee in a hospital that has access to a shared folder of files, they open that attachment, all the files are encrypted. Nobody can actually get to their working files.
According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, there have been 8 hospitals in Florida that have been hacked by some method or another, not specifically the ransomware attacks where you have to pay for it, but those attacks, according to those statistics, have affected more than 2 million people since 2012. We're live in the newsroom today. Michael Paluska, ABC Action News.